Hi, everyone. Please take a look at the short video below. Can you believe that these short videos are all transformed from static images into lifelike videos through AI? This can be completed with just a few simple steps, and it's also free. Please come and take a look with me now. Leonardo AI is a powerful online website for AI-generated images and videos. Today, let me quickly unbox the motion feature of Leonardo AI for you all. It can quickly transform the images you generate into short videos. Very interesting. Follow me to continue watching. Additionally, in the latter part of the video, I will also demonstrate how to use short videos to create content for a music channel. First, let's go to the homepage of Leonardo AI. You can find the URL in the video description below. Next, click on Launch App at the top right to log in. If you already have a Google account, you can directly click on the left side's Google icon to log in. At the top of the Leonardo AI main page, you can see various functions. Let's click on the motion feature, which is the main focus of our introduction today. This interface is very simple. First, you need to choose an image, either by uploading it yourself or selecting from the recently generated images. Next, there is a motion strength setting option below, allowing you to adjust the intensity of the screen movement. The setting value can range from 1 to 10, with a larger number resulting in more significant screen movement. Next, I will demonstrate how to generate a corresponding short video from the images that have already been generated. Let's start by clicking on Image Generation on the left side of the home page. Here, let's choose an image that has been generated previously. Below the image, you can find a Generate Motion Video button. Go ahead and click on it. The interface here is very simple, you just need to adjust the motion strength. If you are a premium member, you can adjust the visibility. Otherwise, this setting will default to public. After the settings are complete, pressing Generate will cost 25 tokens. Next, I will try generating multiple short videos with different motion strength values. We can then compare the differences between them. I will use motion strength values of 3, 5, 7, and 9 respectively. The generation process takes some time, so I'll quickly go through the process here. Let's take a look at the result with motion strength set to 3. The camera pans with a slow rotation of the character, and the effect looks acceptable. The next result is with a motion strength setting of 5. You can see that the screen has a more significant movement compared to the result with a setting of 3. The result with motion strength set to 7 shows more significant movement only in the background, and it doesn't seem better than the previous two results. Finally, the result with motion strength set to 9. Although there is a substantial movement in the frame, the overall effect is not as good as the ones generated earlier. Comparing the results of the 4 settings, it's evident that a higher numerical value doesn't necessarily guarantee a better outcome. You can try experimenting with it yourself. Next, let's take a look at the detailed information about the short video. The generated video has a fixed duration of 4 seconds, with a frame rate fixed at 24 frames per second. This means that each short film is composed of a sequence of 96 consecutive images. Next, we arrive at the homepage of Leonardo AI. Here, there is a motion tab where you can check out videos generated by other users. If you need to reference short videos generated by others, feel free to scroll down and find short videos that you like. Next, I've selected some short videos generated by others. Everyone can enjoy and see if the short video effects created by AI amaze your visual senses. Additionally, the generation of short videos inevitably may have some peculiar aspects. Next, I'll share with everyone some instances of these abnormalities. From the following examples, it's not difficult to observe that certain subtle movements of the characters, such as facial, hand, or foot movements, can easily create flaws in the video. From this perspective, it seems that Leonardo AI still has room for improvement in the generation of videos in these aspects. You might be wondering, what practical applications could there be for the short videos generated by the motion feature? Today, I will teach you how to use motion short videos to create a music channel. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe and follow my channel. First, let's take a look at the following music video. This will be the type of video we'll be emulating. From this music video, it's easy to see that the visual content consists of aerial shots of landscapes. Exactly, did you guess it? Next, we're going to use Leonardo AI's motion feature to generate these assets. The first thing we need to do is generate an aerial landscape photo and use the motion feature to create a short video. Firstly, we navigate to the Leonardo AI homepage and click on the Motion tab to find suitable short videos. After quickly browsing, we soon found the suitable type of video. Click on the copy icon next to it to quickly copy the prompt content. Then we can use the prompt in conjunction with various generation modules on the AI generation page to generate images. After pasting the prompt on this page, selecting the desired model, size, and the number of images to generate, you can press the Generate button to start generating images. After the images are generated, we select one of the more satisfactory photos and use the motion feature to turn it into a short video. After waiting for a moment, we can see that the effect of the generated short video is quite good. We can download it to our computer as material for the upcoming music channel. Here, I've used a similar method to generate many similar short videos. All that's left now is to edit them and add background music, and we're done. Next, I will import these raw video materials into my frequently used video editing software. I'm using InVideo, an online video editing program. It doesn't require any software installation, all editing can be done online through a web browser. The relevant links to the InVideo website have been placed in the description box below. First, I will sequentially import the uploaded short videos into my project. After importing the videos, we'll insert some transitional effects between each short video. After editing, we can click the play button in the middle to quickly preview the edited video. The overall feeling looks quite good. Next, we need to add some relaxing music to the background. InVideo provides plenty of materials for this purpose. Subscribers with paid subscriptions can use these resources without any copyright restrictions. After all editing is completed, click on Export at the top right corner to begin generating the video. It might take a moment to generate the video, so let's just take a look at the results directly. After watching the completed video production above, you should find that it's actually not too difficult. If you're interested, you can also try it. If you want to experiment more on Leonardo AI, I suggest subscribing to the standard membership, which gives you 8,500 tokens per month. Personally, I find it more than sufficient for my usage. If needed, you can find the relevant subscription links in the description box below. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video, bye bye.